In this video, I'm going to show you how to recharge Exness account. Now to do this, first you want to sign into your Exness personal area. You want to go to Trading, top left, and you want to click on Accounts. From here, you can recharge real or demo accounts. Of course, demo accounts can have a set balance, which you can set yourself, and of course, add these demo funds on here, but real accounts are going to require you to actually deposit your real own money. So if you want to go with a real account, click on real over here, and to be able to do this, you must have your account verified. So if it's not verified yet, go to profile and then verification, and you'll be able to verify it. And then from here, go to the account which you want to recharge and click on deposit. From here, it's going to take you into this deposit page over here. For me, it's locked because my profile is not verified, but of course, you can then go and select whichever payment method you want to use. For example, if I go over here and select something like, I don't know, bank card, I can click on it and then I'll be able to put in the details. And of course, I'll be able to see the terms and then pay, and I would be able to recharge my account that way. But if you don't have your account verified, you have to click on over here and first verify it, okay? You're going to have to confirm an email address, your phone number, and then add your profile information as well. So once you've done this, then you also want to go to trading, and of course you can do the same for demo accounts. So if I go to demo over here, I can just go and click on set balance next to the account I want to recharge. So for example, I don't know, maybe like this one, I'm going to click on set balance, and you can go and of course set the balance. Right now it's 10K. If I want to make it like 50K, I can just type in the number, click on set balance, and that's essentially all you have to do, okay? Now, sometimes it's going to take a few seconds to actually update, so just refresh the website and then you should see the updated amount on here, okay? So that's essentially how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.